Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with a video, and so up to this, you knew the golden opportunity of FLP to all the English language viewers. So basically, today's my topic of this video is why of forever, as you can see on the slide. So now let's start our session without any delay. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you are willing to start something with forever, so please subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Okay, so let's start our session without any delay. That why forever and why you should do forever, like why you should choose it is as business opportunity. Okay, so very important, let me show that what is forever. Forever is that it's a global business running in more than 160 plus countries, and then second thing, it embraces and provide high quality products to this its consumers. Okay, and thirdly, most important, it's an established company more than 42 years. It is cash rich, debt free, and financial secure too. Okay, so don't worry about that. I'm going to show the proof of all these three statements given by me by the end of this session. Okay, so be you with me and I'll show you each and every proof by the end of this session. Moving on, what's your why? If every person has some priority in their life, okay, which forces them to do some extraordinary work to fulfill their dreams or achieve their goals and achieve their best life, right? So here the list of some priorities, like what do you want? If you want something, so there must be a priority of you, right? Like so someone has extra income, time freedom, new friends, personality development, passive earning, good health, charity, spending time with family, world tour, financial freedom, own business, or bank balance. So what's your priority? You can easily calculate. Okay, if I talk about myself, I love to travel and explore new things. Okay, so world tour is my favorite, and secondly, financial freedom, which is very important for me as a girl because it's mandatory. Okay, so in case of girl, right? Okay, so okay, moving on, there's the best statement of late Mr. Rex Morgan sir, who used to be founder and CEO of FLP, that one of the greatest illness in the whole world is the empty wallet. I know you will be agree with my statement that that is the poverty which we usually hear in news or televisions nowadays so frequently. So the solution of this problem, that everyone should have employment. If there is empty wallet problem or poverty is a problem, so there should be an employment for each and every person. Okay, so FLP tries to provide a beautiful chance to earn an honest living by which you can lead a better life. Okay, moving on, if we talk about the boom in network marketing business, I'm going to share some business statistics of some popular fields like professional football, that is of $9.58 billion turnover. Music industry has $15 billion turnover. Movie industry have $88 billion turnover. Video gaming industry has $76 billion turnover. Natural foods industry have $90 billion turnover, and the most important, most awaited network marketing industry has the turnover of $178 billion. Now you can imagine that how much people wants employment in their life more than the food, which is the basic need of every life. Okay, and in an interview, interviewer asked to the Bill Gates that if your all the money will be snatched to you, so what will you do to create a new empire, to create a new start? So Bill Gates has said that if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. You can see the faith of the people to use to pursue or to start a new life with a network marketing. Okay, so this is the beautiful thing which you can start. Now, according to FICCI and KPMG, India's direct selling business may reach up to rupees 645 billion by 2025. And the organizations which are claiming these facts are the India's oldest and apex business organization as an accounting organization of India. As you can see, I have written over in this slide also. Okay, so and FICCI is the most oldest business organization which was established on the advice of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so moving on, network marketing example. If I try to make you guys understand about internet network marketing with an example, so here it is, that suppose a normal school which has only one single branch. Okay, for example, I used to study in the school which have only single branch. Okay, suppose there is another school called DPS, that is Delhi Public School. It is having so many branches in India. If I talk about in India only, there are more than 200 branches of DPS, and it is located in out of India too. Now you can imagine the level of network of all around the India of DPS, as well as revenue too. Okay, so suppose one school is going giving 10 lakh of 10 lakh of rupees, so 200 branches giving 200 into 10 lakhs is equals to 200 lakhs. You can see the huge amount of revenue can you can see the revenue which is multiplied by the help of this networking. This comes under the concept of a time leverage. I'll try to make you understand what is the time leverage. Moving on, there is two ways to make huge amount of money. How? One is money leverage and the second one is time leverage. In money leverage concept, basically money multiplies money, and it gives certain amount of money. Okay, for example, 2 to 3 crore or lakh rupees, whatever. Okay, so you make it in you can invest in mutual funds, or you can make it FD in bank. Okay, and now what will happen, interest will add up. Okay, and after some time money will automatically increase. This is terms making money from the time leverage concept. But in the case of time leverage, the sorry in the case of money leverage concept, but in the case of time leverage, this is the concept which is used by every business person doing this. And here are time, here our time, which our time is basically multiplies. Okay, how? For example, you are doing part-time job, you'll get part-time payment. Okay, if you are doing full-time job, then you'll get full-time payment. So in short, we can say that time is directly proportional to the amount of money we make. Very simple. Okay, so if you're working in a job, okay, let me make you understand with this we can say a formula, or this with the help of this slide, that if suppose like as I said, that time is directly proportional to the amount of money we make. Okay, so if you are working in a job, you will get the 2 crore 40 lakh in whole year if you are having a 50,000 salary per month. Okay, which is very rare nowadays, right? And but in business you can earn same amount of money in a day. Like you can earn 2 crore 40 lakh in a day by multiplying the person in a network. How? Like you can recruit some persons in your team for doing the bulk work. Okay, and that bulk work, that's why in job the revenue is same. And now you can see now that there's a, we have what we have done, we have recruited some persons, we have recruited some workers, you can say, and they are doing work for us. And what is the benefit we are getting, that we can earn, yeah, we can generate the amount of 2 crore 40 lakh per day. This is just an example, don't take it very serious that it is the that this much money you can make per day from the business or from the job. This is an example, okay, for to make you understand. So moving on, that is why this is the reason that in job the revenue is same throughout the year. But in case of business, revenue increases by the growth. No doubt job also teaches you something, like job also teaches you some growth, some knowledge or some experience gives it, but up to a certain time, not all time. Okay, there's revenue, there's the same revenue throughout the year, but in the case of business it is multiplies by your with your experience, with your knowledge, and with your growth. Okay, so you can have a great team with the help of social media also. Nowadays you can have a great team with the help of social media digitally, and by creating this time leverage concept. Okay, so here's the answer that why you should do forever. As you can see that here's the two system of franchisee. Okay, one is normal franchisee and one is the forever one. Okay, in normal franchisee system we need a lots of crores of rupees as a starting cost. Okay, Starting cost just for taking the brand name. Suppose you are taking the brand name of McDonald's for your restaurant, so you should have a crores of rupees to just to take their name, just to take the name. Okay, so starting cost, inventory, running cost, and then ID, all legal requirements, staffs. You have to take a premises, like you have to buy a plot or some complex to start over the restaurant. Okay, you need to have a staff, you need to have inventories, lots of things, right? And the working hours is most important. If you are investing some crores or lakhs rupees in somewhere, so you can't have a peaceful sleep. Okay, you have to work hard also. So there's no doubt potential is the multimillionaire. But in case of if I in case of forever, the starting cost is just zero. Can you imagine that? Just 0 rupees, or just 0 rupees. Running cost, what is the running cost? It's just you have to learn or read the literature of the company. Okay, which is all provided by us in free of, as a free of cost. Okay, and if I talk about the training cost is also free. Premises is wherever you live, that's your premises. Okay, all. And team, and if I talk about the team, staff, there's already team is working, so staff is not required. No inventory cost, or no inventory cost. Your smartphone with a proper internet connection is enough. You can, like, your ID, like Aadhaar card and PAN card is required for the joining purpose. And working hours you can decide, and the result is same as multimillionaire. But example, like if you want to do it as a part time, you can do it. If you want to do it as a full time, you can do it. And the potential, the most important is the result is the same in the both of the system. But what is the difference is that one is asking from you the lots of amount of money, lots of time, lots of struggle. And in the same case, and in the case of forever one, there's not that much, it's not cost you that much amount of money. It not cost about your premises, your inventory, or your more time. So it's have a potential, the results are the same of both, but the investment is the different. Okay, so if moving on, we'll there's a thing that network marketing versus traditional marketing. Okay, network marketing and what is the difference between traditional marketing and network marketing? Traditional marketing has some there's some people which will come in under in a lane. For example, some product is manufacturing in a company, that is a manufacturer. Okay, it will come to the national agent, then it will come to the wholesaler, then sales force, advertising. This ask the huge amount of money in advertising. In advertising, there's a lots of money is invested to just promote the brand, to just promote their product. Okay, and then it comes to the retailer and consumer. Automatically the price of the product is increased from manufacturer to the consumer. Okay, because there's a lots of middlemen who are require also their amount of money. Okay, so in the case of network marketing, or in the especially in the case of forever, what basically forever do, we cut middlemen, and we directly what forever does, forever provides their service to the distributor, and distributor to the directly consumer. So there is no that 70% of profit margin from cutting out the middleman is paid to only distributor. And that is why we have the distributor has a lots of has a huge amount of money, or they can earn a good beautiful amount of money here from here. Okay, moving on, the wellness industry is now on peak nowadays. Why? I'll tell you about this. That because wellness industry is one of those industries whose revenue is going to be $1 trillion industry in future. Paul Paul Zane Pilzer, one of the top American economists, whose books are the bestseller, like the wellness revolution. He has mentioned in his book that two emerging powerhouse industries of today and tomorrow is the direct selling and wellness. Moving on, you can see how environment are becoming pathetic day by day. Lots of pollutions and toxins all around us. And if we talk about the food only, that is more bad, because they contain contamination, and fruits and vegetables are injected by chemicals to ripening them early. And the most important thing, according to the National Institute of Nutrition, our food is not having that type of nutrition as we used to have, as we used to had before 30 year. Okay, so before 30 year we used to have a good amount of nutrition in our food, but nowadays it's just vice versa. Okay, so after food, there's a big problem, that is unemployment. People are losing jobs day by day, and more in the COVID lockdown period. Okay, so people have people having high qualification also. They are ready to do C or D grade jobs because they are jobless. They don't have any source of money to feed their family or to feed them. Okay, so is very important to have a good type of employment. Or if someone is working nowadays, so if someone is working, so he or she is getting half salary, or getting 25% of their salary, or 10% of their salary, or no salary. Okay, moving on. What is business? If I talk about the business is a big question. Business is all about problem solving. If you can solve someone's problems, bravo, you can make money. How? Let me give you an example. Suppose someone is facing problem in study. Okay, suppose I'm just giving you an example. Okay, someone is facing a problem in their study. So what you can do, you can help them to study or learn, or you can teach them. Okay, so bravo, you can charge fee from them, and fee from that person particularly. Now you'll say that this is not a great idea to start up, right? Almost every person can teach and earn money from there, like, but I'm just giving an example. So just to open your mind that this is how you can think, this is how you can think. And if we talk about, if we talk about Ola. Okay, so Ola, how Ola help people? You will say na, that Ola is also a business thing. That how you will say that how Ola is helping people. Ola, how people are facing problems in taxi services, like they have to go to the taxi stand, right? They can't have a taxi from their home, and in the nights also, so many more problems are there. But so Ola developed its system, and to provide what is it doing, it is providing taxi service by picking up at your suitable places and time. Okay, and the additional part is that you can enlist your vehicle also in Ola, and you can earn money from your vehicle, which is just wasting in your garden or veranda. Just simple thing. Okay, and this is something that brings revolution in taxi services field. Okay, so up till now, where we are sure that there is two major trend. What? There is two major trend of India. One is deteriorating health of people, and the second one is unemployment. So have the solution. We have the solution to both the problems in terms of Forever. What Forever can do for us? Forever's product can provide you better health, and its network marketing concept can give you the chance to earn living. So to all the people who are doubting on network marketing, you can see there is going to be a subject of network marketing in school to teach or to guide the children's. According to Indian government, network marketing can give 9,000 crore revenue to the Indian government till 2025. Okay, and the Indian government is also termed this network marketing as a 21st century business. Network market and the most important thing, that network marketing can bring 1.8 crore jobs up till 2025. Now you can see the future of network marketing or direct selling. Okay, and the entrepreneurship is the entrepreneurship and the networking is basically connected with each other. Okay, so network marketing is network marketing's teaching is already started in Delhi University. As you can see, its course is already started in Delhi University as well as in Karnataka University by the approval of Indian government, which shows the genuinity of this field. Okay, so now we come to the point of Forever, that why or what's the need of Forever only. Yeah, what's the need of Forever in terms of our health? Okay, So let's take an example that need is what? Need is that we need detoxification of our body. Why? Which is getting, because our body is getting toxified by the polluted air, water, food, and our due to our lifestyle also. And okay, and all the toxins are accumulated in our intestine, which is the part of our stomach. Okay, it is which is the sorry, it is a part of our digestive system, and all the toxins are accumulated in our intestine and making a layer which is very difficult to remove it surgically. Okay, so for that we need something which can detoxify our body without any surgery, and the solution is none other than aloe vera, which have all properties to resolve all your problems like detoxification. It can give you antioxidants and it can provide you nutrition which will enhance your health. Okay, so you'll say that why only FLP's aloe vera? Why not some others? Okay, so let's talk about the thing. Let's have a difference between aloe vera of FLP with the forever aloe vera gel. Okay, aloe vera whole leaf consists of, if I talk about the normal and XYZ company, they use the leaf of aloe vera, which contains leaf, sap, and gel. And sap is very dangerous to us because sap is having carcinogenic, toxinogenic properties which can harm to us, and it can create cancer causing cells in us. Okay, so it's very necessary to have a drink of aloe vera without any sap or without any leaf. We just have to consume inner gel to for our better health, which is providing by our forever. Okay, outer leaf has a strong laxative agents that should not be taken internally, which is consumed, which is already presented in XYZ company, but in the case of forever 100% suitable for internal consumption. Loss of potent nutrients due to oxidation, but forever it maintains its in their mind, and its stabilization process ensures that no loss of nutrients occurs. Okay, then consistent color due to additional bleaching agents. There's lots of coloring agents are mixed in the aloe vera drink in the XYZ company, but here in forever no artificial coloring is done and no artificial flavoring is also done. Okay, in the case of aloe vera whole leaf or an XYZ company, there's a strained pulp used in the used to making the drink, but in the case of forever aloe vera gel, it is not homogenized, it is or filtered with the aloe vera pulp. It is the main job, main the beautiful beautiful I am saying that main the pure part of pulp is used in to make the aloe vera gel. Now, why forever? Okay, here aloe vera have that it basically it is a tropical plant which looks like just like a cactus, and here aloe vera having the more than 300 varieties. Okay, so out of that only 4 to 5 are medicinal, so we need to choose wisely to consume. Okay, so the best one is the aloe barbadensis miller, which is it is the only and it is the only variety which is used by FLP. Okay, and the most important, it is that type of plant which needs 2 to 4 years for harvesting. Okay, so which needs a lots of patience also, and lots of lots of I can say investment of the time that usually India never does. Okay, India can't wait to 4 years for just to have a single crop. Okay, so it's an then again aloe vera is a natural safe herbal plant. It is used for from thousands of years, and the most important part that it has patented stabilization process, which aloe products maintains its shelf life, by which basically by which aloe products maintains its shelf life without their use of any preservatives. Okay, now aloe leaf contains what is the importance of aloe vera. You can see here that aloe leaf contains over 75 nutrients, including 20 minerals, 12 vitamins, 18 amino acids, and 200 plus compounds. Okay, so and the most important thing in the forever, its harvesting is done by hand to prevent any processing loss or cut in aloe, which basically degrades the quality of whole leaf, as aloe can oxidize in air after any cut, and its nutrient will start to heal the aloe vera's leaf, not to us. Okay, so whole aloe vera plant will degrade if any cut will remain in the whole plant. Okay, so we need to cut it down very sharply, or very we can say very sharply and very in a precise manner. Okay, so now the turn of showing proofs of my statement that I had said, that forever working in 160 plus countries. As you can see, the lots of head offices of different countries, like you can see the in Cambodia, in New Zealand, in Japan, in Malaysia, and in Romania, Philippines, there are many more. Okay, and the more most the biggest headquarter, like the main headquarter of forever, is in Scottsdale, Arizona, which is a this is the Scottsdale, the headquarter of forever, which is basically situated in located in Scottsdale, Arizona of USA. Okay, now there is the thing that now my second line, which my second proof that forever is that my second statement was at the starting of the this session, that forever is cash rich and financially secure. You can see here that for FLP owns its own resorts, yachts, planes for their own distribution of their products and for the enjoyment purpose also. Okay, so why aloe? Why aloe is used? Aloe has tremendous benefits for your our health, inside also and as well as outside. Okay, inside, if I talk about the inside thing, aloe supports digestive system, promotes a healthy immune system, supports nutrient absorption and boost natural energy levels. Okay, and in terms of outside, aloe moisturizes, conditions and soothes our skin also. Okay, certain certificates and seals are also given to forever to praise its quality, or giving the remark to of number one company in the case of aloe products. Okay, the very first one, IASC, it is one of those rare seals which only given to those company whose products of aloe is real and 100% pure. The international aloe science council provides its seal to those company only which is having 100% pure products of aloe vera. Okay, and this seal is maintained with us from 1980 up till now. Okay, we passed each year the different type of test of ISC and provide the best products to the consumer. Okay, now we have kosher rating. Kosher rating is also is an internationally accepted symbol of purity and quality, which is basically which is basically indication of the Jewish people, Jewish faith, who are having faith in our product, because Jewish people has very less population and they only believe in the best quality. Okay, so they prefer our product and their seal is provided to us also. Then, if I talk about the M Halal is also the best seal of Arabic or Islamic countries. In Islam, the word of halal meaning lawful or permitted. Okay, so there's the thing that in Islam, basically alcohol consumption and addiction substances like steroidal substances consumption as uh, is we can say that is prohibited. Okay, so so this seal shows that in our products there is not, or there's that there's not any inclusion of, or we can say that M Halal seal is given to those company only who's in their products there is not the presence of any kind of alcohol or any kind of steroidal substances. Okay, moving on, cruelty free and leaping bunny. Cruelty free and leaping bunny certification is given to those company whose products are free from any harm of animals. Okay, we are not we in our products, during the manufacturing of our products, there is no harm to animals, and it is not tested on our animals also to protect them. Okay, so there's experts and high qualified professionals is working with us in our scientific panel. Like we have Nobel Prize winner who has designed the product RG Plus, and the father of omega 3 expert who has designed Arctic Sea, and many more. And at last but not the least, we offer a lifestyle with a peace of mind, excitement, and quality of life are bright future. Okay, if you work if you work and if you'll feel that you are having peace of mind because you are helping to the people by giving them a good health or by giving them a good employment also, which is a recession free business. Okay, so the most important thing, your family can inherit or your family will inherit your business. How? This is an example that Mr. Harinder Singh Ojla, late Mr. Harinder Singh Ojla, died in 2018 in a car accident. So at that time he was working at the manager level, and his entire after his death, his entire business is inherited to his family, his to his younger brother, Mr. Inderjeet Singh Ojla, and now he is working. Now he's working, and you can see his check of September 2020. The 4,80,000 and some 66 rupees and 44 paise. So this is the thing that that you can feel safe here. The company provides you financial security also. Okay, after your family can easily enjoy your we can say that, not we can say enjoy, but your family will not feel any type of problem regarding to the money. Okay, if you are working at a good level in the forever. So moving on, forever is for everyone. Options are endless. If you want to look and feel better, if you want to become if you want to become a successful work person, if you want to change your life, if you want to develop your personality, you can share the products and you can learn the things that how this business is proceeded, and you can have a good, you can become a good forever business owner by the good source of income also. Then make a strong decision from your heart. Every step you take every step you take show changes. Okay, how that if you're taking a strong decision, if you are well determined to any kind of decision, you can succeed any type of problems, or you can succeed, you can pass or with any, you can pass any test and you can become a successful person. Okay, so thank you so much for attending my session. I hope this thing will be clear to you that why forever is necessary for us and why forever you should do. Because you can that there's not necessary or compulsion that you should do it as a full time thing. You can do it as a part time also. I am also doing this part time and earning a good source of income. Okay, so I am sharing you this thing. I am shared you this thing to help you that if you can work with us, so it will be great to you also and with us also. Okay, thank you so much for attending my session, and you all are great listeners literally. So till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.